One, we will start periodic properties and their variations. So, what is periodic properties? The properties which appear at regular intervals in the period table are called periodic properties, and this phenomena is called periodicity. So, you have to read some properties. First, you read number of cells, valence electrons, valency, atomic size, ionization potential, electron affinity, electronegativity, metallic and non-metallic character. Okay, one by one you will read. So first you read the number of cells, that is cell. What is cell? Electrons revolve around the nucleus in certain definite circular paths. They are called orbits or cells. So what is the number of cells? Variation. See, variation, first read down a group. Variation down a group, as group the number of cells increases. So you see one example, sir. Down a, so you take group 1, suppose. See, down a group what happens? See, first 1 cell, second 2 cell, 3 cells. So cells increases. So number of cells increases down a group. And in a period, what happens in a period? You see the period, you consider one period, that is third period, sodium, magnesium, aluminum. See, here 3 cells, here 3 cells, here 3 cells. So number of cells remains same along a period from left to right. Okay. Now come to valence electrons. Valence electrons. What is valence electrons? The electrons present in the outermost orbit of an atom is called valence electrons. So valence electrons, the variations you have to see. So what happened? Down a group. Come to down a group. See. Down a group, the valence electrons are here valence electron 1, here valence electron 1, here 1. So see, the valence electrons remain same down a group. And come to period. So period C, this one period, here valence electron 1, here 2, here 3. So valence electron increases by 1, 1 increases. Okay, now come to our next property, that is valency. So what is valency? Valency denotes the combined capacity of the atom of an element. So it is equal to the number of electrons can donate or accept or share during chemical reactions. Okay, the number of electrons. So come to the variation. So down a group, what happens? The valency remains same. So valency actually depends upon the valence electrons. See, the valence electrons here 1, here 1, here 1. So what happens? The valency also 1. So in the down a group, the valency remains same. And come to along a period. Period, what happens? See, the valence depends upon the valence electrons. So here 1, valence 1, here 2, valence 2, here 3, so 3, valence 3. So valency first increases up to group 14, 4, then decreases. Because see, the valence of 5, it needs 3 electrons to be octet, to fill the octet rule. Therefore, valence 3, valence 2, so valency decreases. So first increases, then decreases. Okay, now come to our next property, atomic size. Atomic size. What is atomic size or the atomic radius? The distance between the center of the nucleus of an atom and its outermost cell is called atomic radius or atomic size. Atomic size depends upon 2 factors. First factor, number of cells. Second what? Nuclear charge. So now come to variation. Down a group. What happened? Down a group. See, down a group, the number of cells increases. So this is 1 cell, this is 2 cells, 3 cells. So as number of cells increases, automatically the size increases. So down a group, the atomic size increases due to increase of number of cells. Now come to period. So see, so very interesting, this is period. So see, along a period from left to right, here 3 cell, here 3 cell, all cells same. So you have to think size also same. No, size never same. Size decreases. Why? You see, here how many protons? 11 protons. Here 12 protons. Here 13 protons. So the number of protons increases. So as the number of protons increases, nuclear charge increases. So what happens? The force of attraction to the outermost cell. So what happens? It increases. So it attracts more to the outermost cell. So the size decreases. So along a period, the atomic size decreases. Okay. Now come to another property. Ionization potential. What is ionization potential? The amount of energy required to remove an electron from the outermost orbit of an isolated atom is called ionization potential. So ionization potential also affected by 2 factors. 2 factors affect. One is atomic size, another is nuclear charge. Now come to variation. First down a group. So see what happen in a down a group. So what happen? So down a group as the atomic size increases, so the lesser the force of attraction. As the electrons of the outermost orbit lie further away from the nucleus, it makes easy to remove the electron. Therefore, ionization potential decreases. Okay, so in a down a group, ionization potential decreases. Now come to across a period. See, now come to across a period. So across a period, what happen? The ionization potential increases. Why? See, the nuclear charge increases. So here 11 proton or 12 protons at proton number of protons increases. So nuclear charge increases. As nuclear charge increases, what happens? The greater nuclear charge, the greater the attraction of electrons of the outermost shell. Therefore, the electrons on the outermost shell are more firmly held together. So it is required more energy to remove the electron. It required more energy to remove the electron. Therefore, the ionization potential increases. Okay. Now come to another property, that is electron affinity. What is electron affinity? The amount of energy released when an electron is added to the outermost orbit of an isolated atom is called electron affinity. Okay. So the factors same, one is atomic size, another is nuclear charge. So now come to the variation. Down a group, what happen? Electron affinity decreases. See the diagram. Down a group, what happen? See, down a group, what happen? Atomic size increases. As atomic size increases, so smaller the electron affinity. Why? The effective attractive force between the nucleus and the valence electron is less. So force becomes less. Therefore, electron affinity decreases. Now come to along a period. What happen? Along a period from left to right, what happen? The nuclear charge increases. The greater the nuclear charge, greater the electron affinity. Why? As increasing nuclear charge increases the effective attractive force on the valence electrons, therefore it increases. Okay. Now come to another electron affinity. They come to electron negativity. So what is electron negativity? The tendency of an atom to attract the share pair electrons towards itself is called electron negativity. Here also two factors affect. One is atomic size, another is what? Nuclear charge. So now come to variation. So electronegativity down a group decreases. Why? Because what happens? The greater the size of atom, the lesser the electronegativity. The electrons being further away from the nucleus, it experiences less force of attraction. So electronegativity decreases. Now come to across a period, that is from left to right, electronegativity increases. Why? As nuclear charge increases, the greater the nuclear charge, the greater the electronegativity. As nuclear charge increases, it causes electroattraction with the greater force. Therefore, the electronegativity increases. Okay. Okay, now we come to discuss electron affinity, some exception case. So what happens? You know that along a group it decreases, but exception case, that group 16 and group 17. What happens? Group 16 and group 16, the electron affinity of oxygen is less than the sulfur, and the electron affinity of fluorine is less than chlorine because they have smaller size. The size is less. Therefore, that electron affinity of fluorine and oxygen less than chlorine and sulfur. Okay. So you see the electron affinity of oxygen is less than sulfur. Okay, and also electron affinity of fluorine is less than chlorine. Okay, this is the exception case, you remember. So now come to another property, that is metallic character. What is metallic character? Atom is said to be metal if it is loses electron when supplied with energy. It loses, those are easily loses electron, they are metal. So that metallic character. So factor, what happens? Atomic size or atomic radius and ionization potential. Down a group, what happens? The metallic character increases. Why? So atomic size, the greater the atomic size, the further the outermost orbit. So the nuclear pool exerted on it become less. As a result, the electrons can be removed easily. So what happens? They easily lose electron. So as they easily lose electron, metallic character increases. Now come to accretion period. What happens? Accretion period, nuclear charge, that is ion potential increases. The nuclear charge increases. As nuclear charge is greater, the greater force exerted by the nucleus on the electrons of the outermost shell. It makes difficult to lose electrons from the outermost shell. So that metallic character decreases. Okay. Now come to non-metallic character. So what is non-metal? An atom is said to be non-metal if it gains one or more electrons. That is non-metallic character. So factors, one is atomic radius and the ionization potential. So what happen? Down a group, what happen? The non-metallic character decreases because as that the factors affect what? Then first is atomic radius. So atomic size increases. As atomic size increases, so the force of attraction of the nucleus became less. So that happened there. So it is the what happened as metallic, that is atomic size increases, so tendency to gain electron decreases. Therefore non-metallic character decreases. Now come to accretion period. Accretion period, non-metallic character increases. Why? As nuclear charge increases, greater the nuclear charge, greater is the tendency to gain electrons. So what happens? Therefore non-metallic character increases. So these are the characters. Okay. Now you go through the tabular form of all the properties and their variation in a group and a period. Now you read all the properties and next video we will do some exercise questions. Okay, thank you.